Let me ask you a simple question. You think it's easier to sell something, or is it easier to give it away? If you think it's easier to give something away than it is to sell it, then you'll definitely want to hear the next 3 minutes. Hi, my name is David Litt, and I'm in charge of sales and marketing for Purium Health Products. And at Purium, we'll actually pay you to give away $50 gift cards. No other company on the planet is doing anything else like this, so I better repeat it. Purium will actually pay you to give away $50 gift cards. And in this tough economy, more than ever, people want to try it before they buy it. So the concept of giving away $50 in free products is a very compelling offer. And these gift cards can be redeemed for whole food, raw food, live food, green food, super concentrated, highly alkalinized, vegan superfoods. These are products we make in our own 30,000 square foot, organically certified manufacturing facility in Long Beach, California. These are the nutrient-dense superfoods your body craves, the power foods that'll make a difference in how you look, feel, and perform, and the type of pure foods you're not going to find at your local grocery store or restaurant. So this is your opportunity to partner directly with the manufacturer, to get the food straight from the source, and then give away thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of this pure and premium food for free. Does that sound easy? Does that sound fun? Does that sound profitable? Well, it is. And here's how our gift card program works. You enroll in Purium with 10, 20, or 40 gift cards. Then you hand out a gift card, or even email or text a gift card number, and your prospect simply redeems it for any product or any group of products in our entire catalog for $50 off. No strings attached. You make a 30% commission on the entire order over $20. That's right, you're going to make money giving away gift cards. Plus, we pay commissions on the sale of these products up to 10 levels. So as you enroll others, you make money on their gift card sales, and their people's gift card sales, and their people's people, and so on. Plus, we pay commissions on the gift cards themselves. So you make money every step of the way. You make money as your team buys the gift cards. You make money when somebody samples the product. You make money when you enroll a new customer. And you make money when you enroll a new distributor who wants to hand out $50 gift cards too. Not only that, but the gift card redemption system, it's completely automated. It does 95% of the presentation and follow-up for you. The products come out of our warehouse, so you don't have to purchase any inventory. The automated system also sends out branded emails on your behalf. Your name, your website, you get credit for anything and everything this person ever does. It's the ultimate high-touch, high-tech program. So if you hate to sell, you're going to love this program. Let the gift cards do the introduction. Let the products do the selling. And let the automated system do the follow-up for you. People try the products, you make money. They enroll as a customer, you make more money. And when they enroll as a distributor, they get their own $50 gift cards. These are cards you didn't pay for, getting handed to people you don't even know. And when the cards are redeemed, you make money. That is the power of leverage and duplication. There are so many reasons to join Purium. Below, you can check out just 21 of the reasons to join Purium. All of our enrollment packs include a free starter kit, free shipping and handling, a free appointment with our naturopathic doctor, no tax unless you live in California or Texas, and the automated gift card marketing system, it's absolutely free. We charge no monthly fees. And yes, you can use your $50 gift card to purchase your initial enrollment pack. So just click the enroll button to save $50 yourself. Get your gift cards and start your Purium business today.